Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Gaspar Rosa, and today I'm going to make a Funko Pop unboxing video review. So this is my second channel, so there's no more Chabacano lesson for this one, just purely my hobbies and collection videos, especially for this channel. So don't forget to click the like and subscribe, and also continue to subscribe for my Chabacano lesson if you're interested for that. So anyway, today I'm excited for this one because I just bought my first Funko Pop from Wave 2 WandaVision Disney Plus collection series. So this is number 823. So this is a Scarlet Witch. I bought this via Shopee, Hobbiestock, Shopee online in the Philippines. So when I ordered this one, they really sent me photos that the box, the figure are very secure, are safe, there's no dent. But when I received this package this morning, there's this big dent on the box protector and also damages the box itself. So I think the problem is with the courier. They are very careless on securing the packaging and upon delivering. So it is covered with a bubble wrap and a box, but still it's got damage. The big damage here is not funny for this one. Anyway, this Funko Pop Wave 2 series, they come with the 4 figures here at the back. You can see Scarlet Witch, the Vision, and I heard that they're yeah, actually they have this the Vision glow in the dark, so I think I will collect that instead of this one. And we have Monica Rambeau in her space suit, and then we have Agatha Harkness. So majority of this Funko Pop, they are floating, so they have another stand attached to their back. So this Scarlet Witch is depicted from the episode 9, so spoiler alert if you don't want to hear anything, so just skip on this video. Anyway, so this is from the episode 9 post-credit scene where she's inside the cabin and she's reading the Darkhold. I think the Darkhold, they have many versions for that in the MCU, especially in the Agent of S.H.I.E.L.D. So this one is from Agnes. She possessed this Darkhold from Agnes. So I think probably she's reading up the chapter of hers about her, and at the end of that post-credit scene, she heard the cries of her children. So stay tuned for whatever part 2 or series for WandaVision for that. So so this comes in different version also. I think they have the Hot Topic, the one she's in the standing pose where she emerged as a Scarlet Witch. So I also want to buy that one. So Scarlet Witch, she is not born, she is forged. So probably because I think they have 3 solutions for that: exposed to trauma, death of her parents during the bomb, and then exposure to the Infinity Stone, the Mind Stone, and absorbing the power of all the witches, especially to Agnes. Agnes absorbed all the powers of her coven, even her mom. So through her, Wanda was able to get all the powers, so she was forged. So eventually, I think she was destined to come forth and become a Scarlet Witch eventually. So let's see about that, because it was foretold that she's gonna destroy the world. So anyway, so I'm excited to open this one. So let's see what this Funko Pop is all about. Enjoy. So we have the 823 Scarlet Witch WandaVision Funko Pop box. So this is the Wave 2. So we have other figures here at the back of the box. As you can see, we have the Vision, we have Monica Rambeau, and Agatha Harkness. And I heard there are 2 versions for this one. They have the Hot Topic for Scarlet Witch and the Glow in the Dark version for Vision. So sorry for this because of the box damage. Even the box protectors also damage, and until eventually it damaged the box itself. So let's open this one. So Hobbiestock, thank you for this Funko Pop. So okay, let's this. Okay, so here you see the damage. Bad carrier. So anyway, so we have the Scarlet Witch. So she's levitating, she's holding the Darkhold. You know what's the difference between this? Because they have a different protection covers for the Funko Pop. Unlike the other Funko Pop, they just have the front portion being exposed. So let's open this. There's no ghost around here, but anyway, so here we have Wanda. So as you can see, it's very safe and protected for the Funko Pop figure. Here it is. Wanda Maximoff Scarlet Witch in her true form. Yet, so she's holding the, what you call this, Darkhold. There's no written pages. There's no letters there. There's no anything. So she's holding her, you know, her power, her Scarlet power. So she's a bubble head. So the sculpture is nice. All I thought it was her hair, but no. This is very detailed, as you can see. It's very detailed. The graphics here, the design of her hoodie, and the back of the box, as you can see, it was attached. It cannot detach. Yes, it's stuck with the figure, and also her cape. It matches with the hoodie. So here is the true head dress for Scarlet Witch. So she's already in her ginger red hair. So she's like sitting in Indian position, and she's holding the book on her left hand, on her lap, and then the power here. So this is depicted from the episode 9 post-credit scene. So far, there's good. The spring here is not having no problem here. The molding of this structure, I think the headdress is a separate piece, and also for this hood, as you can see, there's a line here. So I think it's a separate piece for that. So there's no bleeding on the paint, on the face. Everything is quite okay, and as you see, the label are here. It's not based on the figure stand, so this is very legit already. I already checked this one, scanned through the Funko app. So anyway, so this is my first Funko Pop from Wave 2 WandaVision Disney Plus collection series. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.